Howdy YouTube. Today we're going to show you how to change out or replace a wall outlet, whether it's broken or not. This one is not broken. We're switching from tan to white. I'm going to paint the walls gray. Clean it up and paint gray, and yeah. So, tools you're going to need. You're going to need a new switch. A new plug. New faceplate if you want one. We're switching colors, so we got new both. Circuit tester if you want, or a voltmeter. That is to test the voltage if you want to make sure that the power is in fact off. I know it's off, we're good. You're going to need a flathead and or Phillips screwdriver. And you might need some Scotch Super 33 Plus. Electrical tape, nothing but the good stuff. So let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, make sure your breaker's turned off. You can verify with a tester or a voltmeter if you want to. First things first, pop off the faceplate. Faceplate. Next, pop these screws off. Could use a drill if you want, but I'm going to play it old school today. Screwdriver, pull the plug out of touch, sneak your fingers on there, and pull it out of the wall. Alright. Now, if you can see, you got two wires on this side, two wires on this side, and a ground on the bottom. So, pull the ground off. Is your bare wire right on the bottom. Finagle that off there. There we go. Got wires on this side. Two wires on this side. If you've watched my switch video, you already know this. But if you look here, how the wire is wrapped around the screw. It's wrapped clockwise. So the opening is wrapped clockwise. And that is so the opening closes when you cinch the wire down. turn and close it some more. If you do it the other way, when you cinch it down, it'll open up and possibly come out from underneath the screw. So that's why you do it that way. Now, as long as you have your wires on the right side, there's talk about how your switch is mounted, and upside down switches when they're mounted like this versus this. Now, this is a vertical box, or horizontal you can do, so you have this or this. Now, according to code, they don't care which way you mount it, personal preference, but electricians will use how they mount the switch to designate a switched outlet circuit in a room. So, what that means is if you have a room like our living room has one outlet for a lamp that runs off the switch. It's not this, we know which outlet it is, but all the other switches in that room are not switched. So, one thing an electrician might do is mount all the switches ground lug down, but on that other switch, that other plug with the switch, they might mount it ground lug up, and that is to, and they could, if there's more than one switch, more than one outlet, I'll keep calling it switches. If there's more than one outlet on that switched circuit, they will mount those upside down as well. And what that does is lets anyone who comes in the room and other electricians know which plugs are controlled from that switched circuit. So you just put your screws back on, your wires back on the screws, and cinch them down. Get the ground wire in there. What you could do, I'm not going to, but what you could do, if this is a box where you're going to leave the faceplate off a little bit so you can paint, or if it's a box with numerous plugs in it, or there's a lot of wires and it's tight, you can take your electrical tape, wrap it around all the lugs to help prevent stuff from touching, people getting shocked, stuff like that. All the fun stuff, you know. So you're gonna take these screws, start them. Shove that back into the wall. Cinch down. go. Last thing, new faceplate. Put it up. Put that on there. Get this screw lined up in the hole. Start screwing it in. Now these are plastic, and the metal ones will bend a little bit too, but not as easily as the plastic ones. So cinch her down until she's nice and smooth and flush with the plugs, faces, and OCD. Get your screws straight. Make them all straight. Make the room look good. It's the little things that count, people. But that's it. That's how you change a wall outlet and faceplate. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay crazy. Thanks.